Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video is a retraction video. On December 9th of 2023, I posted a video featuring a Buchanan, New York police officer with the name of Robert Budde.
You're a funny guy.
I'm not a funny guy.
Yeah, I'm What's your name?
The Officer Budde, shield number 7.
As it turns out, there is a police officer with the exact same name that works in Harrison, New York. It wasn't my intention to mislead my audience to believe that the Robert Budde from Harrison was the one depicted in the underlying events.
Officer Budde?
Yes, Officer Budde.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the Harrison police officer was mistaken for the Buchanan police officer, whose conduct was unbecoming of a police officer.
You got ID?
People regular. You can't stop and act like.
Excuse me, you guys were just in a U-Haul shop back there?
Oh, aren't they rentable?
I think they were looking to steal it. And how did they get in it if it's locked?
It's a rentable U-Haul, correct? 24 hours. Junkie says it on the side.
You want to show it on his too? It's his call.
Who?
Mine, Officer Budde.
Oh, where we at? Buchanan Mini Market? Albany, Post Road? There we go. Let's show it on both of you guys' cameras.
Alright.
Okay, there we go. Reservation, right?
So first, I apologize to you, my viewers, if you were misled by the video, and of course to Robert Budde, the Harrison police officer, personally, for any suffering he may have endured as a result of that video.